Hi, I'm Mark Anderson with Anderson Seed and Garden, and we've been selling Baicor products for really close to about 30 years, and it is an essential part of our business. One of the products that we really sell a lot of is combo chelate. Now the combo chelate has all the micronutrients in there that your plants need, but especially a high dose of chelated iron to help green up your plants that are really struggling. So not only do we use the combo chelate for shrubs and for trees, but also for bedding plants, for vegetables, any type of plant that really is suffering from a micronutrient deficiency, especially iron deficiency, but we can also work on, manganese and zinc deficiencies as well too, because of the micronutrient package that's in here. So we're encouraging our customers who are struggling with their hanging baskets to use the combo chelate to really green them back up, because over time through the summer they really start to become anemic and they're yellowing. Combo chelate really perks them back up. But small shrubs, small trees, even larger trees, we'll use the combo chelate on all those plants, and it's been excellent. At an ounce per gallon, they can get 32 gallons out of it. They can really cover a large area or a couple of big plants with it. It's worked out really well. You can use a watering can. Great tie-in sale with the combo chelate if they need an applicator as well too. But a sprayer, like the good old Ortho Dylan spray or a Hudson aromatic sprayer, we'll use these all the time with the Baicor products, because you can just put the concentrate straight in there, set your dial for however many tablespoons per gallon it recommends, which is 2 tablespoons per gallon. You don't have to worry about it mixing water in there. It just pulls the concentrate right out. So when you're using a liquid product like this, water solubles are difficult to use in sprayers sometimes. This flows through a sprayer very, very well. So easy to do, and makes it really easy to apply foliarly, so you can spray it right on the leaves of the plants, or you can saturate the soil around the plants as well too, let it pick it up through the root system, or you can do both, which is what I really recommend, that you do a foliar application as well as a root application with either a watering can or a sprayer. And a product like the combo chelate is something that your customers are going to come back over and over and over again, because it works quickly and it works effectively on all those micronutrient deficiencies.